Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is a bit different from my usual content because I decided to work with air dry clay to create this adorable Christmas decoration instead of my usual polymer clay. To start, I used a black canvas, but you can also use a wooden canvas or simply paint over a regular white canvas. Next, I took some artificial pine branches from my last year Christmas decoration and attach them upside down to the canvas using hot glue. This gives the appearance of a Christmas tree. I made sure to tilt the upper part slightly to the right. Then I dipped my brush in white acrylic paint and used my finger to splatter some paint onto the canvas to create a snowy background. If you accidentally create any large spots or don't like the particular area, you can easily clean it up with a wet wipe or a Q-tip. Using my dotting tool, I added some foreground snow to give the scene some depth. After wetting the area where I wanted to apply the air dry clay and drying the excess water, it was time to sculpt the snowy ground. I smoothed the edges using water and my finger. Now let's craft our snowman. Create a ball, dampen the canvas and place the ball on it, gently pressing it down. Add some ribbons to make scarves for snowman. For the snowman's head, make a smaller ball and position the scarf between the head and the body. Right now we are using water as the adhesive. But later when the clay dries, we'll use glue to attach them to the canvas. To create the snowman's arms, I used real twigs that I found in our yard. Repeat this process of making a snowman until you reach the top of your canvas. For the Christmas tree topper, I used the star-shaped cookie cutter, and I also decided to craft a hat for the top snowman. For the noses, I rolled some pieces of clay into carrot-like shapes and attached them to their faces using water. I found an acorn and used the top part to make a hat for another snowman. Now we leave everything to dry completely. After they have dried, I painted the star with gold acrylic paint, and I also added some color to the hat. Using my dotting tool, I created the eye and buttons. And I used orange paint for the noses. Once the paint has dried, I used hot glue to secure everything onto the canvas. And there you have it, the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.